So this video is only for education purposes only. I do not promote misuse of video services. Use this method at your own responsibility. Thank you. Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to get EDU mail for free. Okay, last time I created a video on the same purpose and the same platform. So some people said that there is something error on their system. So I'm going to show you again for this purpose. Okay, now first of all I'm going to visit this website so you can follow my step one by one, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't skip any step. So every step is very important. Okay, first of all I'm going to this website. You have to write this one and same click on the same website. Okay, now I'm going to the apply now button and click on it, and then scroll down, and after apply now button there is a option is that is name is new students. So just click on join now, and after that you will go to the next step. Okay, so the another website I'm going to use, that is fake xy, where I get the name and the fake US country name, address, name, and everything I get from this website. So you can also get it this website for the same purpose. Another website I use, that is temp mail, for a temporary mail that I'm going to use for edu mail purpose. Okay, so first of all I'm going to back to my main website where I get the edu mail, and step by step I doing something. So start new application, you just click on no button. Make sure you just click on no button, not click on yes or not sure. Okay, just click on no button. Okay, after that you click on no button, you have going to the new placement where you see that there is a create student account, and you just have to get the name and the first name from this website, and also to get the last name from this website, and you just click on no middle name, and also get the date of birth. Make sure that you don't pick up the year of the birth below than 2000. You just click on 2000, 2000 above then 2000. Okay, so I just write the date of birth and any random date of birth, but the year is above than this one, and the optional is the SSN number is basically optional. So then I go to the temp mail, and I put the first and last name here, and I get the edu mail, sorry, basically the temp mail from there, and put here in the personal email, confirm personal email, and now I put the random password, a random phone number. But you can also visit to this website for a specific US number. So you can go to this website temp number and select any of them US number and pick them and put on the website. Okay, this is not compulsory, so you can get anything from the website or random number. Okay, now you have to select the security purpose. So you just cross walks, I select the random ones. You have to select your owns, and one by one I no I think I skipped someone. Okay, I again click on the I'm not robot. Now I select the buses, and let's see what happened this one time. Okay, I skip. I think I skip one thing. I think I skip one. Oh, no problem. Let's fire hydrant. Let's see, fire hydrant, and this one, and this one. Okay, let's wait. That's it on my side. Oh yes, I click on the verify button. No, it's verify. Just click on create username. Okay, after clicking on create username, you make sure that you have select everything. Every option is correctly selected from this website, so from this filling platform. So once you check everything is correct, you just click on create and username. Okay, after clicking on create username, you just scroll down and create your password. After 12-digit password, basically make sure that you have create must be at least 12 character long. Okay, you just copy your username above written and your security question, recovery question, and click on next option. Okay, that's it on this page. You just click on next option and make sure that you have to select every store options correctly. Okay, so I think I missed something, and I have to select the street number. Oh, I have to paste the street number, address, basically complete address, use zip code, and city and the state, and everything that I get from this website. Okay, now click on everything. You have to select this one. You have to select this one, and you have to same select everything that I've selected. So yes, no, no, and no. Okay, now you have to select this one while attending. Basically, you have to select no. I select yes, but I will later show you how why I selected no after yes. So there is an error basically placed on this purpose. Okay, you have to select every star options correctly. Okay, just wait a moment, and you have to get an informational email confirmation, basically email username and your email address from the temp mail. And now you have to select this one. No, and make sure that you selected will you live in Arizona while attending. You have to select this no. When you select no, then your state will appear there here. Okay, if you select yes, your state did not appear here. Okay, so make sure you have selected no. Okay, so I've selected just no option. So now I have selected no, and my state just I have one option, that is my state is here, and I get my state, and now I click on yes option, next option. So that's it on this fill out page. So you make sure that you have selected everything correctly. So now you have any education background interest. First optional you skip that. Next one you have select no high school diploma. Next, and you have to select some college no degree, and this one is you select no, and just click on next option. Okay, that's it on this page. Now you have to wait a few minutes, few seconds basically, not a few minutes, just a few seconds, and you have to select primary college of interest is second one, and now we click in this one is take off class, and this one is not credit, and wait, please wait few minutes, few seconds. Now this appear, and spring 2026 you have must selected this one, and after that you have going to wait some time. I think some seconds, not too much time, just some second. Now add to my application, click on this one, and this that's on this page, and now you have simply click on next option, and you will going to this page, and just see check mark this one, you have to select no, and now you paste your 4 credit character digit code basically, and now you have to select basically no, that's second option, I do not park campus, and just click on next option. So this page you takes a few seconds, not 10 minutes, just few seconds this page, and you are forward to your microba id account. Okay, you have to change your first you change your password, and after that you are going to forward to your main edu mail. Okay, here to you just write your new password, and just click on set password and save it for the next purpose. You just copy this email edu mail just basically, and just click on next option. Okay, so just copy this page email mail for next purpose, just click on next option, and here is the next place. You just scroll down and click on add classes option. Okay, just click on add classes. Here you see that there is a add classes option. After that you are going forward to your microsoftonline.com. Here you paste your email, and next, and you paste your password and click on sign in option. Okay, just wait few seconds, you have to download the due mobile app from to your mobile phone. You have a apple, you can download it from app store. If you have a android, you can go to download from a google play store. Okay, you just download due mobile and scan it, just click on have a tablet, next option, just scan this qr code, and you have successfully logged into the your page. Okay, have you get the tick mark and added you mobile, and click on this, I don't want to add this one, that's it on side login with you, and that's it. Now you have to push icon notification your app, you just approve it, yes, this is my device, and you successfully log into your Microsoft account. First thing you need to verify this one, you have to go to the next tab, you just search out the google.microbia.edu, same web name that you have been login for edu mail. Okay, so you get, if you get your edu mail, you just copy this microba.edu, just place the google in the front of that, and click hit the enter button, and you placed on the your EDU mail. Okay, one of the very important step in this state. Okay, just wait a second, and you have to get the Google, basically sometime, but now is most of time it take invalid email, because too many people are trying to get email, so that's why it takes too much time. Before uh, before this email address, before this video, it takes around 20 to 25 to 30 minutes, but now it takes more than 5 to 10 hour to approve your email. Okay, so make sure that you get your email address after 5 to 10 hour. If you can't get today and the same date you have created the email, so don't worry, you have tried to the next day, so you can successfully get your email. Okay, so the same reason on my side, I'm now getting the email in the same day, so I'm trying it to the next day, so I get successfully my email. So in this video I'm trying too much time. I'm trying after 10 minutes, after 20 minutes, after 30 minutes, but I know it's get too much time. Okay, so after that I'm trying 5 to 10 hours, I get successful login. So wait a second, I will check that. So here you see that next day I get this email address. So it's same email address, but in the next day. So let's click on I understand. So now you successfully get your edu mail for few minutes. Okay, not few minutes. It maybe takes more than 5 to 10 hours. No time. In the next coming days, maybe it takes more hours due to the uh, multiple created account. Okay, so multiple people are creating accounts, radio mail accounts, so it takes maybe time, too much time. So maybe it takes some time not creating radio mail, because of too much security purpose. So this is the right time you have to get email from this purpose and get your any student package, pro package, GitHub package, Canva Pro, and ChatGPT, everything. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my email and then finish this web video. But in the last video I'm also show you I get the code, verification code of Canva and ChatGPT from this email. This is the main proof for this email is going to working very well. So I'm also go you the live proof, showing you a live proof. Okay, so I get the my email. I'm going to generate or create ChatGPT account, and I get the verification code from this email. Okay, so first of all I'm going to the copy my email and just going to the chat gpt, and here I get going to chat gpt, just click on login option and create my account with email. Okay, I'm get the my email or verification code from my email. Okay, just paste my email and click the continue option, and after that I simply wait a few seconds, and here I create my password, and after that I just click on the next option and get my verification code. So at least 12 character my password. I just hit my continue option and save it for the next purpose, and now I get the verification code. Here you see that the OpenAI ChatGPT verification code received from this edu mail. Okay, so in this proof you have seen that the every verification code have been sent to this edu mail, and this edu mail is perfectly working. So I'm going to show you one more proof of Canva Pro. So that is very good for you to understand that this edu mail is working very well. Now maybe in coming days it's not working due to the high cost of high people creating accounts. So okay, so that's why you takes too much time. So just skip that. I'm creating successfully my chat gpt account. Now I'm going to create the Canva account. So let's see what happened with the Canva account. Now ChatGPT is free, but in the coming video I'm going to show you how to get your Canva Pro for free and the same purpose. Okay, now wait for that video. Continue with email for Canva purpose. Just click on continue with email, and that is basically education purpose. So you have to click on the continue. Yeah, put my verification code. You have seen that this is my email address. Just click on my email address, hit the continue option. So wait a few seconds. Basically sometimes it takes too much time, but sometimes it gets fast forward. So here I get my name, I put on it this, and I get my code, and I going to the my EDU mail, and here I get my Canva code. Okay, just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and click on continue option, and here I successfully get my Canva Pro educational purpose. Any template you have used, Pro template you have successfully used easily purpose. Okay, and thank you so much to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you subscribe, so if you not subscribed yet, so definitely subscribe it for upcoming interesting and informative tech videos. Okay, so comment it if you like any video, and so subscribe, like, comment, and share. So now, uh, life